Hi, my name is Whitney Boland with Signature Realty Associates and Buy with Boland. With no side neighbors to your left, you will love living in this custom-built, eco-smart Kansas floor plan. Right next to the preserve, with 4 bedrooms and 3 full baths and over 2,700 square feet, you will have plenty of space to entertain and grow your family. The large kitchen with center island, stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, and full-size pantry allows you to fill your culinary dreams. The great room opens up to a covered patio so you can take in the views on a sunny Florida evening. The master suite has 2 sinks, a garden tub, and enormous walk-in closet, perfect for any shoes or clothes enthusiast. In addition to the 3 other bedrooms, the Kansas offers an additional flex space, providing a perfect office space, playroom, and/or formal dining room. Located near I-75, just south of Tampa, is this family-friendly community of Triple Creek. This community offers so many amenities, including nature trails, community pool, playgrounds, and basketball court. Hurry, this home will go fast. As always, my name is Whitney Boland with Signature Realty Associates and Buy with Boland. Welcome home.